Okay. So this is what we did last year. Let me try to zoom in a bit more. Welcome to your interdisciplinary unit. For this activity, you will be exploring blood splatter analysis with other physics and calculus and forensic science students. After this initial activity, you will be able to apply your skills to solve a crime. So before attending, we had kind of a breakout because we didn't have scheduled days last year. So we did a breakout session in the library where we showed these two videos. I think the first one is, yeah, Dexter. Okay. So I'm going to post this, but basically you don't need to hear what he's saying. I just want you to look at the visuals. So there's blood splatter all over the room. Posting this video for you to watch on D2L. And basically, for every prominent point on the blood splatter, he's taking string and he's stretching the string, right? So that he can see if all these points are going to meet. There's a point of intersection. And you're only going to be dealing with one little wall of blood splatter. This is a TV crime scene where there's blood splatter all over the room. So as he does this for every prominent part of blood splatter, he's going to see different points. So what type of weapon? He was able to figure out that it was a knife, right? Based on the different levels of where the point of origin was for the victim. But he was also going to able to use stringing to figure out the height of the victim. I believe on Monday you are primarily looking for the height of the victim, right? So it's going to be 3 different suspects who are very different heights, and you're going to use this process of stringing. We're going to give you tape, we're going to give you string. I think the CSI students are already preparing your blood splatter. Last year, every group had to do the blood splatter themselves, and that's what you're going to be practicing. So it's actually a really fun activity. In order to figure out the correct calculations, you have to use trigonometry. So that's where the second video pops up. So this video is a much simpler version of the stringing, and it's going to walk you through how to calculate the string angles in a crime scene lab. Okay, so before you go to your activity in the cafeteria on Monday, you're going to watch these videos just so that, of course, you're going to be working with members, and there will be CSI students circulating to help. But don't want to walk in blind. You want to have some type of knowledge about what, okay, so that you can be helpful for your group. So I'm going to post both of these videos on, and this is a simple version of stringing. So I'm going to post both of these videos onto our D2L. And these are the materials we're going to give you. So we have simulated blood, string, ruler, protractor, tape, paper roll, scissors, tables, and stands. And there's a bunch of instructions. Now, these are the instructions from last year. Ms. Villazola might be giving you an updated version. I'm just going to post what we had from last year so you have an idea what you're going to be doing, okay? So that is the blood splatter activity.